morning, students. This is the lecture number 1, chapter first, electrostatic. First, we will know what is the actual meaning of electrostatics. We know that electro means electron, and static means rest. So we can say electrostatic is the branch of physics in which we can study electron in at rest. Electron means charge. How? Because charge has very important factor, that is electron. Because deficit of the electron and loss of the electron, deficit and loss and gain of the electron, loss of the electron and gain of the electron shows the properties of the charge. Means if any atom loss of the electron, then it shows positive charge. And if gain of the electron, then it shows negative charge. Means we can say charge is two type, positive charge as well as negative charge. चार्ज दो तरह के हो सकते हैं, एक पॉजिटिव चार्ज और एक नेगेटिव चार्ज। जो पॉजिटिव चार्ज होता है वो इलेक्ट्रॉन की कमी को प्रदर्शित करता है। इलेक्ट्रॉन कितने कम है, उसमें नंबर ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन कितने उसने लूज किए हैं। और नेगेटिव चार्ज कितना इलेक्ट्रॉन उसने गेन किया है ये शो करता है। सो वी कैन से पॉजिटिव चार्ज शोज loss of the electron and negative charge shows gain of the electron. So on the basis of charge we study the one very important law, which is the basic, which is the fundamental of the electrostatic. So basic of the electrostatic, that is Coulomb's law. Do cover it. Positive charge and gain of the electron, that is negative charge. And Coulomb's law. Coulomb's law is applicable for point charge. It's applicable for point charge and small distances. So what is Coulomb's law? Statement of the Coulomb's law. Statement. Attraction and repulsion. Between two point charges are directly proportional to product of charges and inversely proportional to their distances. So we can say if Q1 and Q2, it is Q1 charge and it is Q2 charge, and the distance between them, that is R, and we can say there is a force acts between the two charges, that is q1 and q2. So we can write F directly proportional to q1 and q2 and F inversely proportional to 1 by r square. So we can write F directly proportional to q1 q2 by r square. Okay, so F equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught q1 q2 by r square. This is the formula for Coulomb's law. And what is F? F is the electrostatic force which is act between the two different or same nature charges, means सेम नेचर वाले चार्ज या अपोजिट नेचर वाले चार्ज के बीच जो फोर्स एक्ट करता है वही ये F की वैल्यू है, और इसको हम लोग कह सकते हैं दिस इज इलेक्ट्रोस्टैटिक फोर्स, इलेक्ट्रोस्टैटिक फोर्स. Okay, and the value of 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught, that is very very important, 9 into 10 power 9, and the value of epsilon naught, that is 8.85 into 10 power minus 12. स्टूडेंट्स को ये दोनों वैल्यू याद रख लेनी चाहिए क्योंकि न्यूमेरिकल्स में, इस चैप्टर के न्यूमेरिकल्स में इनका बहुत ज़्यादा यूज है. सो इसको आपको अच्छी तरह से याद करना चाहिए. अब हम लोग देखेंगे कि इनकी यूनिट क्या बनेगी. तो इनकी यूनिट जो होती है यूनिट ऑफ 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught, that is 9 into 10 power 9 Newton meter square per coulomb square, and the value of epsilon naught, that is 8.85 into 10 power minus 12 coulomb square per Newton meter square. This is the value of 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught and epsilon naught.